Hello friends, in the last video I have shown you A-stable multi-vibrator use of 555 timer. Today I will be using the pin number 3 of that is the output pin of 555 timer in a slightly different manner. Now let's have a close look to the circuit. This was the circuit which I have made the last day. Okay, you can, if you have not viewed the video, I will request you to view it. This was the circuit which I have made last day. Now what I will do is simply expand it. I will connect the output pin, okay, the output pin to the negative terminal of this LED, the green LED, like this, and I will connect the positive terminal of this green LED with the power supply, like this. I have connected the positive terminal with the power supply, and you can see what is happening. You can see a particular sequence. Okay, one thing that you can notice is when this LED is on, this is off, and when this is off, this is on. Okay, what I will do is I will extend this concept with few more LEDs to show you how this uh, uh, pattern looks more. This is the circuit which I have made after all the connections. You can see here that I have connected 6 more LEDs, that is 3 green LED and 3 red LED. These were the 2 LEDs which I was using previously. I have extended this concept for further 6 LEDs. You can do it for n number of LEDs. Okay, let me power the circuit to show you what happens. Now you can see a particular sequence or particular fashion in which the circuit is glowing. Okay, it looks difficult, but actually it is very easy. What I have done is I have connected all the red LEDs. I have connected all the red LEDs and all the green LEDs. Okay, parallelly, not in series but in parallel. Okay, and you can do it for n number of LEDs. You can even do it for with different shapes. You can make it triangular, you can make it circular, or anything that you want. You can make square. Okay. Thank you, thanks for watching.